Hi, welcome to L Professor's Python Seaborn tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see the basics of Seaborn and how to set up a dev environment, then fundamental plotting techniques of Seaborn. What is Seaborn? Seaborn is a high-level data visualization library which is built on top of Python and Matplotlib, and it provides the updated styles and theme to build 2D and 3D graphics. If we go to the official site of Seaborn, we can find the definition as a Python data visualization library based on Matplotlib. And also it provides a high-level interfacing to draw attractive and informative statistical graphics. How to set up a Python in our dev environment? Basically, it requires a Python interpreter. And on top of that, we need Matplotlib, which comes as a dependency of Seaborn. Then for an IDE, we can use any IDEs of our choice. In this case, we are going to use Jupyter Notebook. First thing, I'm going to create a virtual environment with a name Seaborn_env. Followed by, I provide the packages as an argument, and I use Python 3.7 version, then Seaborn, then a Jupyter Notebook with a Pandas library. This will take some time to install all the packages that we need, and once it is installed, we can get going. We'll have to activate the environment once it is installed using Anaconda activate the environment name. Then we can initiate the Jupyter Notebook IDE. Once the notebook is initiated, we can go to a new menu and click the environment name that we've created. So this will create an instance of a new notebook page. And first thing is we'll set the title of the page as Seaborn Basics, Seaborn Fundamentals. Then we'll create a subtopic as importing dependencies. Import dependencies. Right. Then we'll import all the packages that we need. Import NumPy and import Matplotlib and import Seaborn. So why Matplotlib? I'll show you how to create a plot using Matplotlib. Then we'll apply a style of Seaborn to get a feel of how Seaborn applies a high-level styling on top of the Matplotlib plot. So let's create a plot using Matplotlib. So I'm going to declare a x variable using NumPy's linspace method. So this creates data points between -5 to 2. And I'll use y value as a function which will derive the values from x variable. So basically it's a polynomial expression which converts the x value into a y value using that polynomial expression. Alright, now we apply to a plot method the x and y as a coordinate. Then we'll declare the color argument as red, then label as y of x. That's the function we've used. And we'll call the plot.show method. There we go. So this is Matplotlib's default plot without any style. Now if we define the style of Seaborn, we'll see how it displays the plot. So there are a lot of inherent styles that Seaborn provides to us. So here we'll use a white grid, which is a basic style which provides a white background with a ruler grid. Then when we execute this, yeah, there we go. So this provides a clean plot with a white background, and we can see all the data points of x and y coordinates. Now let's come back to the plot. We'll add few more expressions to distinguish the each and every line and see how it behaves in the basic Matplotlib plot and in Python Seaborn plot. So I'll add a few more statement of plot here with different y values, and to distinguish I'll set the color as blue and green. Similarly the label for each line. So this basically creates a 3 line intersecting each other based on the coordinates that we've set in the expression. Alright, so this creates a basic Matplotlib. Now we'll create the similar lines using a Seaborn's line plot with a minimalistic of arguments. You can find that how Seaborn behaves the similar way as how Matplotlib did, but with minimalistic argument list. So I've created 2 line plots. Now the third one with the x and y 3 expression. Right, so here we can see the Seaborn's plot. Alright, that's all about this video on Seaborn fundamentals. In the subsequent videos, we'll see a lot of data analysis and data visualization using Seaborn with various data sets. If you like this video, please do click like button and share it to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.